Hello to all my subscribers, followers, friends, and those who haven't clicked the subscribe button yet. Paki-click naman. There is a lot of views on my channel. I think a lot of people are just watching, but they don't click the like and the subscribe button. So please click the like button and subscribe button, because that will help the channel, and that will also mean that I could fund my next trips, travel videos, and that all kinds of expenses that goes along with it. Okay, so before we move on, today, break muna tayo sa travel videos. I just want to tell you something, a funny thing that happened, and I will ask Siri about it. Anyway, shout out muna tayo sa mga followers, subscribers that who have requested. Si Francisco Malonzo Campo, yung aking Grab driver here last week, and sino pa ba? Si Bike Tayo 7055. Hello, kumusta kayo? Alam mo, I have moved to Pampanga. I am now in San Fernando, and I know that Bike Tayo 7055, you're in Pampanga. So I might want to meet up with you and collaborate on some of the videos, no? Future videos. And then to all my ever loyal subscribers, friends, then si Benzen, Ramdi, Omar, thank you for liking and sharing and supporting my channel. And guys, I have just moved in San Fernando, Pampanga. So the next few videos will feature videos around this area. So we'll explore San Fernando, Pampanga, Tarlac, maybe Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Zambales. Just around this area in the next couple of weeks. But anyway, meron lang kasing meron lang akong tanong kay Siri, kasi I have just moved in here, and I noticed that every time I wake up to pee in the middle of the night, alam mo yan, parang mayroon kang nasisilipan na anino na something. So medyo natatakot ako kasi naka-off yung lights and things like that. So tanungin natin si Siri, kasi ito yung place ko. Paano ba to? Ay, hindi pala. Anyway, tanungin natin si Siri kung ano yung answer niya. Okay? Okay, ito na. Tanungin na natin si Siri. Okay. Hey Siri.
Mm-hmm.
I see a little silhouette of a man.
Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, Figaro Magnifico. I'm just a poor assistant, nobody loves me. It's just a poor assistant from a poor family, spared its life from this monstrosity. Easy come, easy go, will you let me go? Bismillah, no. We will not let you go, let it go. Bismillah, we will not let you go, let it go. Bismillah, we will not let you go, let me go, will not let you go, let me go, never, never let you go, never let me go. No.